Map. Have you ever seen a map? You might have seen in some digital game you play. How does it look? Round, conical, or flat? Yes, flat. And what do you find on it? Usually there is a line drawing showing some path with direction arrows. Like globes, maps are also used to find the places on Earth. A map has a generally flat surface. It has a symbolic representation of parts of the Earth and are drawn to scale. By scale means the proportion between the actual or ground distance between two places on the Earth and the distance between these 2 points on the map. For example, if 2 points are at a distance of 1 kilometer on the ground and these 2 points are shown 1 centimeter apart, then the scale of the map will be 1 centimeter to a kilometer. Many scientists have worked on maps, but the idea of longitudes and latitudes was first introduced by Ptolemy, a Greek scientist in the 2nd century AD. In comparison to a globe, maps are easier to carry and understand. But there are also some limitations to their uses. As you've noticed that a map has a flat surface, but our Earth is not flat. It is round, and it is very difficult to convert a round or a spherical surface into a flat surface. Have you ever tried to flatten a cut rubber ball into a flat surface? Let's try and see what happens to it. Now it is flat. You can see that the rubber ball is torn on the edges. Similarly, in the case with the northern and southern portions of the Earth, when they are stretched out of proportion on a map, the map thus is not an accurate representation of the Earth. Despite of this fact, maps are very useful to us, and we use them more often than we use globes. The most important advantage of the map is that we can draw a part or the whole of the Earth on a map, and many details like road, railways, rivers, landforms, etc. can be shown on such a maps.